Okay, we're good to go. Setting up the lights. And I will come in as well. Let's see here. Maintaining camera. Great. So, definitely more rested than yesterday, that's for sure. And we can keep going on what we were doing, which was regarding this table tutorial results. So we're gonna keep doing that. That would be pretty much what we have to do in order to be able to create different kinds of turrets. Maybe I want to add a tag for this. So I discovered how to make settings for all the countdowns, which is kind of cool. So here we're gonna make monkey update 2. And again, kind of brown, if possible. Why it's brownish? Is this brown? Kind of. Kind of. Yeah, there we go. Could be slightly more visible, maybe brighter color. Like this. Great. So let's add the tag. Could be better. Maybe it did an update. It's actually this feature, which is very bright. But I don't mind it, I actually like it bright, I guess. Yeah, it's probably this one who needs to be brighter. Yeah, cool. So, turret results. Let's see what tired me left me. Gonna be quite a surprise. Maybe I will have to change things. Alright, we have a name, cost, attack type, cooldown, turret range. So we probably need a turret type somewhere. Could be in this script. So what does this look like? An enum? Before or after the statics? I would say before. Okay, so we have that, attack, freeze, bomb, and supersonic. Oh, it's actually hypersonic. So we don't necessarily need to know the type in there, because we will have the results. So the results will have the type. We're gonna have a dot by default. And those kind of things then. Oh, adduct type, okay, so that we can get rid of. Cost cooldown, turret range. I'm actually thinking about the resource duplication system, because this will technically be shared by all the turrets of the same type, unless we do specify that we want to duplicate the resource. So if we don't duplicate the resource, it is absolutely crucial that we don't change things like range or cooldown. So this kinda needs to be calculated differently than just changing the value. So maybe it's just easier to duplicate the resource. So we have kind of base resource for each type, and then we duplicate it. That seems fair. I think so. So if we do that, we could technically have the progress here. Around. Let's try to create one. Yeah, right. And this seems cool. So we're gonna have dots. Type dots, name. Oh, this little balloon, the cute balloon, doesn't show. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, dot turret. Oh, we're gonna name this dot at the moment. Cost 250, cooldown. Yeah, that seems fair. Maybe. Oh, I don't know where the branch is. Okay, so for the branch area collision. So we're gonna change the radius of this thing, okay? So maybe, yeah, 150 pixels. And what about the sprite? How do I change its size? Is there an offset? Yeah, that's the problem. Okay, so we have 1.0. Oh, okay, so it's so it has a size here, but what is it? 256. So how is that? Oh, radius. So what about okay. So we'll have a little bit of math to do here, and that I will add to the task list. So here, turret, branch, indicate. Oh, I think I noted that actually. Wait a second. Branch property, that's what I meant here. So I'm gonna go with automatic turret branch visual update. Does that fully explain what I mean? I hope so. So I will do that after. First, turret resource. I kind of think we're done, actually. Yes. We're gonna keep that. Consider this is done, and we will add more features to that later. Just before it's done, maybe update the script to consider the resource. So here the cooldown goes away, and we'll have the resource. We just need to use the resource for the cooldown, and we should be cool. Oh, I forgot one. Alright. Now we're probably done. Roasting, cooldown progress. Here's the select. Here's the selection. Great ghost, colliding, place, move and slide. Yes, I'm gonna do that. Scan for balloons, and yeah, I think we're good. That's cool. Turret children node, turret range visual update. Let's go with the turret range visual update. So, we have a little bit of math to do, and we also have to figure out when to update it. Select, deselect. Yeah, ready, physics process, create. So I'm gonna go with simple update range. So first we'll update the range collision, the area. We're gonna grab its shape. We're gonna name it as a circle shape 2D. This way we should be able to grab the release. Yeah. Resource range. Red range. Maybe it's not necessary to say turret here. We technically know it is turret from the type. Oh, actually it is important. Because of the range somewhere. So let's put it back. Warning, the property shape is not present on the input type area 2D. Oh, okay. So this is actually a collision shape 2D. Do we fit? Ah, we don't. Too bad. That's the first thing to do. And the second thing to do is to scale the sprite so that it matches with the area here. So what I will do is I will set them intentionally wrong so that we can see if they expand and match when we start the game. Okay, so we basically have to find an unknown. I actually have no idea what are the English terms for equations. But yeah, let's see. Well, something in the lines of up to 256 somewhere. And this is technically equal to radius by 2. And I guess that here we have a factor. So radius by 2 divided by 256. Let's try that. Sprite 2D. Branch. Oh! Tupadri, how you doing? Oh, I remember you were having another name on Discord, but which one? Was it Pepe Lander or something? How you doing though? And I don't know what WSG means, if anything. Oh, I probably need to keep that invaluable. Wait. Yeah, factor. You are Paper Lander indeed. You couldn't see much streams because you were busy with exams? Yeah, I do know that. Actually, it's interesting. I do have a lot of students in my viewership. Or more specifically, those who interact with me the most are very often students. That's fine. I don't remember if you've shared what you're studying in. Like, are you studying something programming related or something? So here, we should have this range update ready. And this should be usable for the creation. Why is there no creation thing though? Oh, is it create ghost? Okay, never mind. So hi Ryan, you're going to eat your Greek yogurt? Go then. I'm not saying that in a condescending way. I think I will be doing 2 streams today. I'm gonna go till for a few hours. Then I will probably have a lunch break and try to start at the usual time I start in the evening. You're doing the selectivity. I don't know if you know what that is. I don't think so. Maybe it's just the word that I don't know, and that I actually do know that with another name in French. But Darian, you watched the Stay Machine both from me and out of gamedev, and those dots mean that it's still confusing. Yeah, I understand that. I wish... Maybe I do have it. Okay. I'm gonna do one thing. But that would not be for right now. A few years ago, I studied State Machine. And in classes. More specifically than studying it, I had to create a PowerPoint to teach it. So if I can find this back, I will translate it in English because there's not much about it, and I will share it with you. But I don't know if I can find it again. There's a chance it is on one of my drives, because... yeah. But basically it was more like, it wasn't about specifically explaining how it works in a coding aspect, like that was very on the surface for the coding aspect, but it was more about explaining all the concepts of why we do things, so that when you try to do it with code, it's easier. So it is when you get ready to go to university, but before that you do exams of what you learn, and that decides where you can go study. Oh, okay. Yeah. I kind of see what it is then, sort of. You understood the formula from them, just needs to sort the code. You know you need a transition function, enter, exit. Why else does not named? Okay, just hope. Mind your ears. Wait, I'm gonna mute that 2 seconds just to avoid the chaos. Very good. What are we doing here? Okay, not this one. Which one I clicked? 24. Alright. I'm sure I can find this pretty quickly. Okay, so probably not this one, since I wouldn't be doing both hexagonal and combat at the same time. Yeah, not this one. .4. This one. Oh, I can maybe... Oh, combat prototype, so it's way before that. Let's go here. Actually, the git thing is gonna help me. Oh, maybe it's this one then. Tab container, inventory, ores. Probably the next one. Wait, did I click this one? I think we're here. Yeah. Around here. I'm completely ignoring the chat because I want to get this done, but there we go. Go put a landmark here, and you will look at that. All right. It's a big difference from using booleans as state machine. Yeah, you will solve it, have trust in me. You can copy exactly how you did it in code, but what's the point if you can learn it myself? Yeah, so basically what I did in this stream is I was going through a state machine and I was trying to explain at the same time what I was doing. So maybe this will help. So, back to this. We have the results, which should be preloaded, so maybe we can just try to create a turret. Let's see how this works. Oh, we don't update range. Update range. Oh, there it is. Cool. Now let's just see that it is correctly matching the collision shape. Oh, it is. Isn't it beautiful? It is beautiful. So yeah, Pepe Lander, are you working on game projects these days, or are you too busy for that? Wait, escape doesn't work. It's not supposed to happen. I'm gonna note that here. So it's either a bug or just something not implemented yet. Yeah. I'm gonna put both. Just in case, because I don't know which one it is. Yeah, it's just not implemented. The automatic turret range visual updates. We have that? Okay, let's deselect the turret. Probably can use inputs. If we have a selected turret, rest cancel. Deselect. That's probably a very cheap card. Yay! High five. That was cheap. And that was definitely not a bug. Turret creation function. I think so. Oh, this can go on the side. And Godot. Back to Godot. So, this thing. We kind of need to have an argument which is type. This will decide what turret exactly we do bring in. So we can either create a function for every turret, or we could have one big function, like one big constructor. Oh wait. Maybe we don't need that. Alright. Maybe this has to stay here. And we kind of have a function which is overwritten. Right, so here create ghost. Kind of keep this that way, sort of. We keep this one as the entry point, and we have function create this, if that makes sense, which returns the turret. So we have all this code that goes there, and right here we do match the type, and we can kind of loop. So if the type is equal to dot, we create this. And then we will, okay, that will make more sense when I create new turrets, I think. Yeah, I will try to create another turret, and that will make sense. Creation function. So, yeah, kind of still in the loop. Children nodes. Not really children, inherited nodes. Okay, so here, guys, we're gonna do something very useful and kind of not so... it's not in the front, right? It's not something that you can find accidentally, I think. At least when you need it. We're gonna create a different object which inherits from this one. So, how do we do that exactly? New inherited scene. Inheriting from turrets. And there we go. But this is a full new scene, but it inherits from the other one, and that's the cool part. So let's have tag turret. Let's do this. What if I say turrets? And I have like I don't know why tag, by the way. Kind of a weird name, but it's fine. Here, technically, we can change the modulate. So we have a pink thing. And we can remove the script and create a new one. Back JD. Static function. Create this. I'm kind of improvising, not gonna lie. This is something very new, really new. I have had idea about that, but never tried it. So here in our attack turret, we create a new turret, but we do load. What the hell is that? Okay. So we don't load scene. We load a scene here. So static variable this scene. Oh, that's a string. Component. It's out. Your idea. There we go. So we load this scene. And we need to load the right resource as well. So what if I have like static variable this resource? Oh, we're gonna load this. All right. Let's create something for it, like a new resource. So, new turret, and that's gonna be tack. Okay. So tack turret, tack, 400. 1 cooldown, and 100 range. Let's copy the UID. And there we go. This and this resource. Great. We got a duplicate. Amazing. Amazing. So now what about... Okay, I'm gonna try to create those 2 different turrets. And if that works, I will create the dot turret individually instead of having this right here. Oh, wait a second. We need types.tack. Return tack turret dot create this. Yeah, exactly. That's the cool part. That's the cool part. Okay, user interface. Create turret button. It's probably here. On create turret button. So we're gonna remove that. Turret button doesn't exist anymore. Wait, what does do? Create turret pressed. Boo, no. Yes. Don't like it. But we're gonna go with that. Rat info. Okay, so that's the turret labels. What about creating a script here? It's a rectangle. Text rectangle. Turret. Shop. Icon. Actually make it a texture bottom. So we do need an export type, variable type. Turret types. That's good. We need an export variable texture path. Just texture actually. It's good. Texture 2D. And we also need export variable. I'm gonna say label at the moment, but that's placeholder. Connect the press. Maybe we can use user interface dot reference, create turret, pressed. We emit that with the type. So we change the signal. We change the signal and we catch it. We catch it somewhere. Probably in the world. Turrets. Yep. Ghost turret, create ghost turret. So we need the type here. Really need the type to go all the way down. The type. And here also we got the type. Right purchase, wait. Uncreate turret pressed. Oh, what? Did I fail somewhere? Oh yes, here. Alright, okay. Just forgot one. Yes. Okay, cool. I want to add something which is prevent turret purchase while player is holding a post. Let's put that in monkey update too. Okay. So back to the user interface. So we have dots, the texture is going to be the rectangle. And yeah, let's remove those. Delete. Yes. Label is going to be D. Oh. Let's duplicate that. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this one. Attack T. Freeze F. Yeah. So the turrets are DTF BH. Why not? Text color is wrong though. Label setting. New label setting. Font color. What? Bigger? Let's see. Kind of. Oh, we probably need size here. What's the size? Oh, wait a second. Layout, keep no size, texture, keep aspect centered. Does that work? Does that work for you? And why is this empty? Oh, I think I know why. Let's add one here. Oh, they've kept the modulate. Well, maybe they didn't need the first one. But anyway, it's actually important. Texture normal, maybe? Yeah, texture normal. Must take texture. Must take texture. Cool. I don't know. Well, I did not. Yeah. Are we good? We're good. Okay, so this should create the number 1 turret, and this should create a second. Oh, that's beautiful. Wow. Oh, that's beautiful. Let's change those things. Keep aspect centered, blah blah blah. And that's it. Debugger though. Create turret pressed. Yeah, never used. That's not a problem. So, what do we do with that? What's the task? Turret inherited nodes, fine. Turret creation function, fine. Prevent turret purchase while the player is holding a ghost. There's just something wrong though. Well, let's put that as bug, that's no future. And let's not create a cat for this, but the cost is wrong because it doesn't watch the cost from the resource. Right, so try to purchase somewhere. Oh, it's in world. Turrets. Try to purchase. Oh, that's kind of complicated here. Okay. Let's make a card. Let's make a card. Create modular price for turrets. Okay, so basically here we need to be able to grab the cost of the turret based on the type. So maybe we can create a kind of little dictionary which auto updates. When the game starts. Something like valuable turret prices. Is it dictionary with a turret type and an integer? We do that, and now we initialize it. Initialize turret prices. So we do lose on optimization here somehow. It's probably better to have a kind of full turret dictionary somewhere. Yeah, we're probably gonna do that instead. Let's forget that. Turret.gd right there. Static valuable turrets. It is a dictionary. So oh, can we actually initialize with loading right there? Yeah, probably gonna do that. Okay, cool. There we have turret types dot and dot. How we get the dictionary key? Oh, this doesn't work because that's a load. If I identify a string as Lewis tile dictionary key equal that. Yikes. Let me see. I'm just gonna check dictionary somewhere. Okay. So probably my second here is wrong. Alright. Phew. Disaster avoided. gonna load pack. Here we go. Pack loaded. Okay. So from here, why is that here though? Wait. Maybe it's better in turret script. Looks good. Alright. So, we can now go back to the Worlex, turrets. So when we try to purchase, we have a type. Consume currency equal to turrets dot turrets with the key type dot cost. I think we're onto something. I think we are onto something. We found how we copy this. Somehow. Well, we don't have the type, so let's ignore that. That's gonna be in the shop upgrade. Yeah. Signal is, that's an old error. So let's try to start with more currency actually. Go to load, I guess. Currency. Start with 600. No. Is it 800 we start with? Can't remember. Let's start with 700. 800. Okay. 800. Okay, this cost 250. And this cost 400. Super cool. That's great. I really love it. So now, create a modular prevent turret purchase while the player is holding the ghost. Okay, we'll see that. But before this, I will just nerf attack range slightly. 65. Yeah, that's whatever. Camera's trolling me. Alright. We are good. To prevent the turret purchase while the player is holding a ghost. It is kind of may seem complicated, but I don't know. Is it? Is it though? Turrets. Ghost turret. We have one here. So we actually already have it. So try to purchase. If ghost turret, return. It's decent. Oh. Let's try to see what happens when we don't have it. Like, we buy once, or we buy twice, and we'll have only one turret, and we're doomed. Okay. So we buy once, we can't buy, and we must place. So now it's just a question of catching the refund. But actually kind of cool because we do know the turret. So technically we can refund. Ghost. Well, let's do it first. We do refund ghost turrets. Top cost. Oh, resource maybe. Resource top cost. Yeah. Woohoo! Okay. That's very cool. What happens when we archive a card? Oh no! Damn it. Where are they? Huh. Give me my cards back. The hell? Where are they? The hell? Crazy. No! Oh. So, alright. It's alright. Yeah, it could be on the right menu somehow. Oh, archive. Almost. You do? What's going on? I broke everything. US table. Right, US list. Perfect. Get that back. Oh, help me. And then what happens to archive cards? Are they going to a kind of hidden folder or something? Archive date format. I gotta Google that. Obsidian Kanban archive. What's the deal with that? Alright, so I gotta open this in Markdown? Can I do that? Open. What? Okay, so that's too complicated. Well, too bad. Cards are gone. Cards are gone for the moment. So I need to open this in Markdown, but I don't know how to do that. Oh, there it is. How do I copy this? Archive. Yes. We have saved the cards. Why is this visible now? Ooh. Alright. Phew. We're fine, we're fine. That was interesting though. Open as Markdown. Huh. Interesting. Interesting to see how this works in a Markdown style. Kinda cool. So, what was the... I kinda lost track here. Let's see, roadmap. More turrets upgrade, automatic turret controls will update. So we will need another turret update. Yeah. Maybe we can save this. I think we're good. Do I actually have not saved things? No, we're good. We're good. That's good. Page. Monkey. And there it is. Monkey update 2. Cool. Alright, what time is it? It is 18:10. I may have time to go through the shop update, I think. So I think the plan is gonna be shop update now, then I will take a break, and we will resume with another stream at 20:00. I think. This seems like the best way to go with. This way I can create a clean stream as usual, so that I'm not that exhausted with the little power break. Okay, cool. So anyway, shop update. Yeah, let's create a new tag for it. I'm gonna use a reddish color for the box. So I didn't, and it's kind of a miss. Okay, cool. Shop update. And this one's gonna be green. Kind of like $1. I don't know. I don't really know what $1 looks like actually. Refund system. And this actually, yeah, I'm gonna say that this is kind of a shop update as well. Kind of curious that okay, that it doesn't show archive by default, but why not? No template, no folder. Note created from Kanban Godot folder. Yeah, we don't really care about that. No, I don't know. Alright. Never mind. So, oh! Not what I meant. Let's put it back. Put it back to it. Refund system. So here I just want to create a simple currency. New method in the currency so that we can refund. We can refund. Yeah, probably. We can refund without triggering the creation again. And we can eventually create a new signal for it, like signal currency refund. Refunded? Refund. Oh, I don't know. Can I check that easily? refunded. Yeah. Oh, the value, quantity. Alright, currency refunded. So it's probably just creating, right? So refund currency. We updated. Okay. So we probably need to update the label so that it reads this. Actually, no. Cool. Super cool. We just need to make sure that we do read this. Let's refund currency. And let's see. Right, cool. So technically the best way to go with that is to actually test the statistics, but we don't have statistics yet. Maybe we can add this to the shop update. Simple stats, single auto load maybe. Yeah, let's do this. Currency, auto loads, new folder. Script. Okay. Make a stats. And let's create a node for it. Doing hidden stats picture. Yeah. Variable currency earn. I think int 0. The currency spent on upgrades, maybe. Here, let's do something simple. On currency created. New value is useless. And currency earned plus equal. Just need to bind this. Oh, is it good? Is it possible to bind too soon? Because we actually need the things. Okay, so maybe we're not gonna use a signal then. Maybe we're gonna have... Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna make the button stats. It's... No, not the physical, sorry. Key label. Key code? Key code. That's inputs. Inputs. Let's make just one line at the moment for the print rich. So color, actually, yeah, let's not care about that. Add currency earn. But yeah, the thing is that maybe we just want to go in our currency script here and have it change the other lines. So you have like stats. Oh, it's not added yet. Projects. Auto load. It's perfect. Those stats. Nice. Yeah. Probably a better way than using signal, I don't know. So what if I run the wave now? I have a strong turret. I'm actually not gonna have more money than that. Oh. Okay, so game's gonna crash before I can test. Great. I gotta stop. So we earned 180. So but yeah, technically I can buy the turret we found and we're good, right? Yeah. I mean, that was pretty obvious, but anyway. We had the start of it. We probably will... I don't know where I'm going with this stat thing. Let's go at the bottom, actually. Yeah, I'm gonna ship this, and I'm gonna go for a pose, and I will create the next stream thing. Update. So yeah, I'm gonna create a new thumbnails for this. Okay. Let's almost go. And let's go with that. Oh. Weird. So let's see. Let's plan. What? Okay, thank you, internet. Those websites with automatic sound in it. Super cool. Let's schedule. So technically it's the number 5, is it? Turret upgrade. The date is... Right, it is 6. Yeah, not AI. True. And that will start at 20. Right. Now let's grab this. Create the new one. Yes, there it is. And copy this guy, send it to Discord, and we are gonna be cool. Coming lives. Alrighty. That's 1 hour and a half. Alright. So let's see. I'm gonna slowly disappear for this one. And yeah, thank you guys for passing by for this early random stream. Just wanted to work this afternoon and keep track of it, really, for the sake of documenting this tower defense game. So I will see you in a few hours if you're here right now, or well, pretty much now if you're just watching the next stream afterwards.